Radio.
Chance to win $1,000.
It's true.
As inflation continues to take a bite out of your finances.
Inflation compensation.
Listen for your keyword to win before the news at the bottom of the hour.
Just sit tight. You're gonna love this.
Just by listening to KFBK.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM. Welcome back in, play Travis Buck Sexton Show. I want to go to the civil trial, which is currently underway. The woman who was accused Donald Trump of rape, remember this is a civil trial. She is seeking money. This is not a criminal proceeding, in which case the defendant would be risking his freedom, right? So this is important, and Buck laid it out, but this is a preponderance of the evidence standard, not a beyond a reasonable doubt standard. So it means if you believe the defendant 50% plus a scintilla, right? Like anything over 50%, then you would find for them as the victor in this case. Okay, all of that is important. And what I was saying is, it's a possibility, and we're not in the courtroom. We don't know exactly how the process is playing itself out. But in a New York City courtroom, where there's a decent chance the jurers may well despise Donald Trump, they may give a substantial verdict to this woman, maybe even one that isn't supported in any way under New York law, just to try to send a message to Trump about how they dislike his politics. So I just want to put that out there. It's important for you to remember who this woman is. CNN tried to bring her on and say, hey, let's let her tell her side of the story. I believe, Buck, this was with Anderson Cooper. I want you to remember how that interview went and why she has not subsequently been on CNN or MSNBC very often. Listen.
Most people think of rape as a good as being violent assault.
I think most people think of rape as being sexy.
Let's take a short break.
Think of the fantasy.
We've just got to take a quick break. If you can stick around, we'll talk more on the other
Let's
side.
go back and listen to that again, because sometimes we play these cuts and I think people are like, that's a holy crap moment. And the crap is not the word that I want to use. Anderson Cooper interviewing Donald Trump's accuser about rape in 2019. In 2019, he says most people think rape is sexy and they have a fantasy with it. Just listen.
Most people think of rape as a good as being violent assault. It's not.
I think most people think of rape as being sexy.
Let's take a short break.
Think of the fantasy.
We've just got to take a quick break. If you can stick around, we'll talk more on the other side.
Anderson wanted to get out of that out there real fast. So, this is a woman who went on CNN, regardless of what you think of her otherwise, and said, I think most women think of rape basically as really sexy. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think most people out there in our audience do not share that opinion, right? And you know that Anderson Cooper just had alarm bells going off in his mind. Now, we don't know what this woman's testimony has been like in the court proceeding, but if you wonder, wait, this is a woman who accused Donald Trump of rape. Why hasn't she been circulating more in media? It's because of an interview like that. Even CNN and MSNBC are like, we can't put this woman on air and risk what she might say. I'm glad we played that, Buck. I think that's hard to understand. She also publicly lobbied for the passage of the law that has allowed her to bring this suit way past the statute of limitations against someone. And what she said, and now she can go after Trump. Trump says this is not true, right? I think it's worth admitting or sharing the fact that he said he never did anything. And I think not in that way that Trump could defend himself. I think he said, she's not my type, which is not an ideal defense either, but I believe, if I remember correctly, was the way that Trump responded to these allegations.
If the people running the Biden campaign had any smarts, my friend, they would equally prescribe huge chalk male vitality sack. When that campaign benefit from some testosterone replenishment, yes, they would. They had the energy to get through a day, week, possibly a month better than ever. But my friend, you need the chalk male vitality sack, whoever you are out there, because if you feel like you're just not getting through your day with all the oomph you need, my friend, you gotta try chalk. The Patriots at Chalk spent years formulating this daily supplement. Their formulations include all natural ingredients to including a chalk male vitality stack, which has been proven to replace 20% of deficient amounts of testosterone in just 3 months' time. Everything chalk makes is lab tested twice for purity to ensure the potency is there. If you're looking for more energy in your day, more focus, Chalk's Male Vitality Stack is the answer. Go online to chalk.com. That's CHOQ.com. Get 35% off when you use my name, Buck, in your purchase. Go to chalk.com, CHOQ. Use promo code BUCK.
Today has your chance to win $1,000. Now, just enter this nationwide keyword on our website, BANK, B-A-N-K. That's BANK. Enter it now at KFBK.com. Good luck. Your latest news, traffic, and weather.
KSBK, Sacramento's News Radio. 93.1. Everywhere on the iHeartRadio app.
At 10:30, I'm John Bernanke with your top stories on KFBK News Radio. Grace Turner, CEO, appealed the lower court's decision to deny her release earlier this month while she appeals her original fraud conviction. Security prison on Thursday near Houston. Her lawyers say in a filing that the district court judge rejecting her release contained several errors, including patient fraud convictions on which the jury acquitted. And the late Terry Fisher will soon be honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. A.k.a. Princess Leia will be memorialized on the Hollywood Boulevard near the El Capitan Theater on May 4th, Star Wars Day. She'll be joining her co-stars Mark Hamill and Harrison Ford, who already have stars on the Walk of Fame. Traffic and weather together. Check in with Roy Lamella.
We have traffic just a little sluggish in the Roseville area, southbound 65 from Let's Grow Boulevard down to Galleria after it clears out towards Indy. But traveling southbound, still seeing a little bit of slow traffic after an earlier pallet's been cleared out the roadway, but you're still slow on that southbound 5 connector ramp to eastbound 50. And eastbound 50 slows on the WX portion from I-5 to 15th Street. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes. Mornings and afternoons. Roy Lamella, KPK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Gonna remain sunny and warm today with highs 86 to 90 degrees. Clear overnight, lows around 52 to 56. I'm AccuWeather's meteorologist Jeff Nordine on KSBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
On Wall Street, the Dow Jones down 88 points. S&P is about flat. NASDAQ is up.
Oh yeah, this is perfect. Wow. Okay. Oops. Got my phone recording the whole time. Sheesh, I wish people respect the law. I hate how people try to run people over. Like around here, everybody runs the stop signs day and night. No one seems to care here. Just me. That's really messed up. You know, no one wants to follow the rules anymore. I'm so sick of people. I'm so sick of it. Sheesh. Yeah. What can I do? Nothing. Oh, it's perfect. This is a perfect bag. Yeah, for now I get that. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Yep, it's Oh yeah, it's headphones. Okay, perfect. I have that. Deal with the box. I don't know how.